Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson from MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to do a little video walkthrough of our newly arrived NXT20 2020. This 20-foot boat has the pickle fork front, so you can fit 3 people up here very comfortably. I went with the cloud gray interior on this boat with the sangria red accent, and we have the Decadence flooring in here. It's got the flip windshield feature on this boat. On the passenger side, you got the storage up under here. This seat flips up for storage. You got the nice long bench seating here for storage. Over here you have, on the helm, you have a wireless charger, the bolstered seat. Got all your commands here. You got the 4-inch screen with the Clish stereo controls, and you got the traditional gauges up there on the dash. Moving on around here, underneath here, you have the cooler. You got the nice bench seats here, and then the really great swim pad, so everybody can just kind of lay out and hang out here. This has the Z6 tower, easy to flip down if you need to put the tower down. Clamping wakeboard and wake surf racks that swivel in. And this has the advanced audio, so you got 2 Clish speakers up on the tower, a subwoofer, and 4 interior Clish speakers. The engine in this boat is is the 6-liter, 373 horsepower Ilmor motor. This boat is equipped with the SurfStar system. So great boat for wake surfing, water skiing, and wakeboarding. Makes a great surf wave. Something really cool here, you got the phone holders on both sides. Nice new feature. So come and check out this Mastercraft NXT20 2022 right here at our MarineMax store. We're one of the dealers that has lots of inventory, so come and check out our Mastercrafts here at the store. We're really excited about having these boats in inventory on a year like this. Our website is at MarineMaxGreenville.com. You could call us at 864-936-9005. Love to have you come out and check out this Mastercraft NXT20. Thank you all.